What's that smell? It smells so good. Squeak, squeak. Yeah, it does, right, Mouse? We need to find it. This looks like the smell's coming from this way. Come on, Mouse, we'll go find it. It smells so good. Squeak. Oh, whoa, what's this? Squeak. Look, the smell's coming this way. I smell it. I see the smell. It's that. It's those flowers over there. They smell delicious. Are they something to eat? Because I'm feeling extra hungry. Everything that crowns make always smells good, and it's always for eating. Squeak. Squeak, squeak, squeak. I don't feel like taking a bite out of you, Mouse. I always have a bite out of you, and I want something different. So maybe that's something different, and it smells very good, so it must be something to eat. And I'm super hungry. So Mouse, we should go check it out. How are we supposed to get past this? Squeak! Mouse! Mouse! You're supposed to wait for me! My head can't fit. I need to find a way to get Mouse and that treat. But, holy, this is so high. I need to climb that. Okay, I need to find a way to climb this. Mouse, are you okay down there? Where are you? Squeak. Okay, I'm coming to get you, Mouse. Just need to climb. Climby, 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 climby. Climby, climby, climby. I think I'm at the top of this. Whoa, this is so high. Mouse, I see you. I need to go down there to get Mouse. Don't worry, Mouse. I'm coming to get you. Hey, Sprinkle. Hey, Sprinkle. Sprinkle, I'm in your room. Sprinkle, where are you? I came in your room because I was super bored, and now you're not even here. Sprinkle, where could she have been? I need to go ask Crumbs. Crumbs! What is it? I think Sprinkle's missing. I was looking for her everywhere, and she's not in her room or in the house. I looked everywhere. What do you mean she's missing? This isn't a joke. Really? Is she really missing, or are you just lying to me? No, she really is missing. No way. I need to go check on her. Is she okay? She's gone. She's not in her room. Where could have she went? I thought you would know, so I went to ask you. Wow, this smells so good. Thank God I'm right next to you, Mouse. I couldn't have done it without you. This must be a treat. I might as well just take a bite out of it, right? That sounded like Sprinkle. Maybe it is Sprinkle. Yeah, but that sounded very far away. And maybe she's very far away. But where? She's not in the house, obviously. I think she's outside with Mouse. Because Mouse, she was talking to him. And Mouse isn't in the house either, so she must be with Mouse. And Mouse sounds like squeak, squeak, squeak. That's Mouse outside. And they're together because they were talking to each other. So Sprinkle must be lost outside. Sprinkle! 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 Do you hear that, Mouse? Do you hear something, Mouse? No? Okay, yeah, me neither. She can't hear us. We need to hurry. Come on, Crumbs. Come on. Come on. I can walk, okay? I can walk. Let's go. Ugh. I'm coming. Wee. Ow, ow, ow. Oh, that was so painful. It's worth it. Come on, we need to go in the grass and look for her. Let's see, which way is she? Is she this way, or is she all the way in the back of the house? We'll split up, okay? I'll go here that way and you go that way. Okay, Whiskers? Okay, I'll go this way. Wait, so I need to climb this all over again? No, there's a way back there to go that way, so you go that way. Okay, then. After they both went searching, they couldn't find her, so they both returned to the house. I'm so tired. I couldn't find her anywhere. I didn't have any luck either. Here's a smell mouse. I could just have a little bite of it. Ew, that tastes so bad. It's not a treat. Squeak, squeak. Ew. Squeak. Oh, listen, this is a different smell. But it does smell good and it looks like my hair color and my dress. That tastes so bad. I don't feel like eating you right now. Squeak. I have an idea and where she might come home. What is the idea? I can cook her favorite recipe and maybe she can smell it and she'll come back home. That's such a good idea. Yeah, let's do it. Okay, I'm coming. After Crumbs and Whiskers makes the recipe, I smell a new smell, but that smell actually sort of smells familiar. Smell, Mouse, do you smell that smell? Squeak, squeak. Yeah, it does smell like Crumb's kitchen, my favorite recipe in it. Squeak. You're going back home? It's a long way. Look it. We need to go all the way that way, Mouse. Squeak, 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 squeak. Okay, Mouse, come on. All the way this way. All the way this way. There, we're finally back home. Okay? That took a long time, didn't it, Mouse? I'm so tired. Squeak! Now all we need to do is just climb the stairs so we can go back to the house. Squeak! Squeak! Squeak. Squeak! Yeah. Squeak. Finally. Squeak. I don't think they're coming. Just give it a little bit more. I'm sure they'll come. Come on. Oh. Crumbs, it is you baking. No wonder it smelled so good. So, what? Oh, it's my favorite recipe. Okay, I might as well just go eat. Come on, Mouse. Squeak. What? You guys! You guys are acting like it's all normal. You guys just went missing. We are looking for you everywhere. Yeah, we made this mess recipe so you can come back home. Well, thanks. I'm gonna go eat because I'm very hungry anyway. Yum. Squeak. You've got to be kidding. How? Sorry, it was so relaxing over there. And plus, it was okay. Over where? Over there. I need relaxation then. Ah! I want to relax too after all this. Oh well.